Impact of the monasteries. Christians world life and devoted all their time to spreading the message of the Christianity. They led lives regulated rigid rules and vows. Vows means promise of poverty. Chastity means purity of the character. Obedience means obey. And these monks, these people who are followed these vows, poverty, chastity and obedience, they were called the monks. The institutions in which they lived were called the monasteries. The place where lived in an ashram, that ashram was called the monasteries. Life of the monastery: prayer were there, manual work, religious study. In the monastery, the monks practiced prayer, manual work, religious study. Monks set an example by doing their work, manual work. They promoted the idea of the dignity of labor. Monks were trained to look after the poor and the sick. They received education and preserved ancient knowledge by copying ancient manuscript. Western Roman Empire, the monks were learned people in Western Europe. Christian monasteries became a center of the education. They spread the education in many subjects such as logic, grammar, arithmetic, and religion. They taught Latin language and educated people of Western Europe. Christianity played an important role in culturally uniting the Western Europe. The monks such as the renowned means well-known monks, Saint Jerome, Saint Augustine, Saint Benedict and Saint Francis organized their own orders of monks, their own rules they made for the monks, and they won convert from all over the Europe. Saint Jerome was the first to translate the Bible into the Latin language from Hebrew. Bible was first printed in Hebrew language. Saint Jerome was the first person to translate the Bible from Hebrew to Latin language. His version, called the Vulgate, the common version, the standard of Latin Bible used throughout the medieval period. Then the church began to play a central role in the life of the people. It laid down code of social and moral behavior. People had to observe, and the code became rigid. Church discouraged questioning. Corruption became widespread in monasteries. They acquired property. The middle of the 16th century, monks were living lives of luxury and become involved in all kinds of corrupted practices. The wandering monks who worked among the people continued to lead a simple and pure life. With this, we complete the first chapter. Read very well and try to mark the question answer.